Okay, and you gonna see it's a fun task. Like when we gonna import this first, like from turtle, import turtle and screen, like the before task, and then we're gonna write from art, import turtle racing from this art.py or Python, import the turtle racing that is equal to this drawing, and then you're gonna write import random. We're gonna import a random, and then print turtle racing. Like when we print it, you can see the turtle racing is drawing here, and then when I close this app, and then it says is race on is equal to false. It means when race is not on, the screen is gonna be screen. Screen is equal to screen, and then screen dot setup weight is equal to 50, and height is equal to 40, like 40 by 50 or 50 by 40. It's like X and Y. And then user bit is equal to screen dot text input. Yeah. Screen dot text input, like it's gonna load up a screen that's it have a text input. This screen make a bit, and like it says which turtle and this in the race will win, and enter a color: red, orange, purple, yellow, or blue or green. We're gonna make this now for now, and then where is it? Oh, here. And then we say turtle make your bed, and then the title of the that a little input text is set make your bed, and then where is it? Wait, I'm gonna load these two again. Okay, and then here it says which turtle in the race will win these colors. With the here it says the same, and then here colors are equal to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The Y positions are 70, 40, 10, 20, 50, and 80. Like first negative 70, and then negative 40, negative 10, 20, 50, and 80. These three numbers that I said the last haven't any what we say haven't any minimization. And then print user bit. How to bit a user? No, user bit. Print this. Like when we write red, it's gonna print red. Our bed. It's gonna print our bed. And then and here we say all total is equal to this. It's a function. We can't put it pass, and then we put this beside the pass. And then for the total index and range 0 to 6, it means 0 to 7, but it's 0 to 6. Like the zero is 1 for us. For the Python, the 1 is 0, and then the 7 is 6 for Python. For we, the 6 is 7 for us. Like we start from 1, but the Python start from 0 to 6, and we start from 1 to 7, like 7 turtles, but it says 6 turtles, from 0 turtles to 6 turtles. And then new turtle is equal to turtle shape is equal to turtle, like all the turtles are shaped a turtle. And then new turtle, that color is colors by turtle index. It says like new turtle color is colors with the turtle index, yeah, like that. And then new turtle dot pen app, all the turtles gonna be pen up and didn't gonna write anything. We can put that pen down because we're gonna see which one is gonna be win, but I didn't like to put it, but I'm gonna put it. Pen down, one time pen down, yeah. And then new turtle dot go to x, x is equal to negative 230, and the y is equal to y position. The y position, like the y position is these 6 ones. And then the turtle index, all turtle that append new turtle, and that's a lot of that. Okay. And if user bit is raise on to true, we're gonna raise, the race is gonna on. And then for the turtle and all turtle, for turtle and all turtle, and if turtle that x core is bigger than 230, then its race is equal to false. Winning color is equal to turtle dot pen color, yeah, and I'm gonna say pen up. I didn't like pen down. And then if winning color is equal to user bit, then print you've won the winning color. You won, and it's gonna say the color of you bit on that turtle, and the turtle is the winner. Else, like if you didn't win, it's gonna print you lose. The winning turtle is the winner. Like if you bet red, if it's gonna win, it's right, you've won. The red turtle is the winner. If you put on the red and the purple one wins, it says you've lost. The winning color is like purple. Turtle is the winner, like this. And then I'm gonna, yeah, and it says rand is equal to distance and equal to random, that random 0 to 10. It says like the turtle's gonna race like to random, like the computer gonna say who's gonna be go faster and who's gonna be go slower. And then turtle that forward rand distance and screen that exit on click. It says like if you click on the screen, it's gonna exit like this. Wait, it's gonna run. Yeah, here. If I said red, and when I click on the page, oh wait. Yeah, it says red, you've lost. The purple turtle is the winner, and you can see the page is not gonna exit. When I click, it's gonna exit. Like on the first click, when it's finished, it's gonna exit. And am I said all of them? Yeah, and you can enjoy putting bit on it. Like I'm gonna say orange, orange, and orange is here. No way, orange is the loser, I think. Yeah, orange is, I think, second. Orange and green is second. The first one is purple. The third ones are yellow and red, and the last one is blue. And thank you for watching this video. and have a nice day for the next video. Bye.